Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's pack your bag. How are you all? Hope you all doing fine. And today we are at Universal Orlando. अगर आप हमारे previous videos follow कर रहे हैं तो आपको पता होगा कि इस season में हम explore कर रहे हैं Universal Studios को और आज हम हैं Island of Adventure में. So we are going towards Skull Island, Reign of Kong, that is King Kong ride, one of the very famous ride in Island of Adventure. ये यहाँ की काफ़ी फेमस राइड है. बाहर से तो भीड़ बिल्कुल नहीं दिख रही है बट रियलिटी अंदर जाके पता चलेगी. Reign of Kong. Queue is incredible. 50 minutes wait time. You can also watch our one full day ultimate guide for Universal Studios and Island of Adventure. Video links are given in description box. Once you enter inside, the atmosphere instantly changes. Caves, ruins, tribal carvings. ये यहाँ की काफ़ी फेमस राइड है. बाहर से तो भीड़ बिल्कुल नहीं दिख रही है बट रियलिटी अंदर जाके पता चलेगी. You ride inside a massive expedition truck through a jungle full of giant creatures. After looking at this truck, I'm little relieved कि चलो ये roller coaster ride नहीं है. I can handle this kind of ride, I guess. अभी भी जानने के लिए क्यूरियस हूँ कि ये राइड आखिर इतनी पॉपुलर क्यों है. आई वॉन्ट टू सी कि इसमें ऐसी क्या खास बात है. Once you enter inside, the atmosphere instantly changes. Dense forest, ancient ruins, and the sound of creatures all around makes it feel like we have stepped into another world. .360-degree screen make it feel like a dinosaurs are jumping right onto the vehicle, and it's bit spooky for the younger kids, but it's total fun. This island is alive and danger is everywhere. Giant prehistoric creatures appear out of darkness, and just when things seems impossible to escape, the King Kong arrives. And finally you meet the King Kong himself. The Animatronic Kong is very huge. No doubt why this ride is so popular. कुछ seconds के लिए मैं पूरी तरह भूल गई that I am not in a real world. ये ride पूरी तरह से worth है. It is an epic battle between Kong and terrifying predators. This ride is not just a ride, it is a cinematic journey into the world of Kong. We totally loved it. this was our today's video. If you liked our video, don't forget to press the like button. To join us on this adventurous journey, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Have a great one.